Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha kuleli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke, cindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje u-question yesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khona uzokwazi ukuthi uthole zonke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha zokulethela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke udaba-ke engikethele lona namhlanje ngilethele-ke ividiyo-ke yomunye-ke umlisa-ke laphana-ke veza-ke into-ke engaziwa-ke noma-ke ebinganakiwe-ke ngamavoti-ke laphana-ke. Futhi-ke lo mlisa-ke lona-ke mebheka lamavoti-ke avela-ke ngenkathi-ke evela ku-T_V, ngenkathi-ke ayisi laphana-ke umemezela-ke ama-results. Futhi-ke mebheka lawo mavoti-ke masebheka la mavoti lawa-ke akuwebhusayithi ye-I_E_C akafani-ke, uveza nokunye-ke laphana-ke. Kodwa-ke angifuni ukuthi wezwa ngami phela mina into nje ngizodlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzizwele wena-ke. Ngizocela laphana usukele le video lena ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu ukuthi wena-ke ucabanga-ke ini. Usicindezela ibhathini nje subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje u-question yesenti elimnyama-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Ngize nendaba allegedly bafethu, u-allegedly umgobhozi uvuke confused. Yazi into engiconfusayo, izolo ngisambele ngasiblomela namajita wagreen, ngaze ngazobuya ey'ntatha ngapha ngafike ngalala. Ngiyavuka 6:30 ngingena ku-X, mangingena ku-X ngihlangana nenye ipost ethi i-NFP ithole 19,000 votes e-KZN, i-EFF yathola 79,000 votes e-KZN. So how come i-EFF ina 2 seats, laba bano-19 bena-1 seat? Cause kumele ngabe i-EFF ina 4. Uma ngabe uzokhawunta labo 19,000 abawu-4 benza leya amavote etholwe i-EFF. So ngase ngithi awuthi ngingene kuwebsite mhlawumbe ngizobona, mhlawumbe nathi khona into engizoyithola ukuthi sirojiwe. Ngingene kuwebsite, mangingena kuwebsite ngithola ukuthi ama-final result asebhalonile from the numbers esasizibonile ngesikhathi kuqeda ukuvota ukumenyezelwa, ukuthi abakwa-Green bathole 6 million something, ida I think yayiko 3 point something million, i-MK iko 2.3, i-EFF almost 2 million. Mangifika manje iy'namba zidablishile, ngithi ngiyabheka ukuthi ngibheke ku-national or ngibheke ku-provincial or ngibheke kuphi. Like ngiyabona ukuthi u-national but I'm confused. Because even if ngabe kuthiwa bebehlanganisa ama-ballot wonke oyi-3, if mina ngivote kawu-3 ngivotela i-MK, i-MK ku-national ekuqaleni beku-2.3. So uma ngabe ngivote kawu-3 ngivotela i-MK, kusho ukuthi nabanye laba bebevota njengami kumele inamba itriphule from 2.3 should be at almost 9,000, I mean 7,000, or if not 7,000, but it's at 4 million. So like I'm confused because nama ngiyazi into engisho ukuthi ngithini, because ngibonile ukuthi lawa ma-results awe-national, but kuwawe-national kanjalo, but they are not I can't even angazi ngithini. Yazi guys, I'm-confused. Ngiyacela ukuthi ngizofaka i-screenshot sami la nomunye akahamba aye ku-website yase-I_E_C ayobheka. Like I can't understand guys. Omunye ayobheka naye bese yabuya comment section ningichazele guys mina, because honestly speaking I'm confused. I don't understand the thing. Ngisazobuyela kahle futhi ngibheke, because ngibheke kwaze kwaba kathathu ngithola into efanayo ngendlela ezihlukene. So ngizophinde ngibuyele ngiyochecka kahle mhlambe I missed something. Nokuthi mhlambe there is an explanation I didn't see it. I tried to search ukuthi is there an explanation of this, but I can't see it. Nokuthi phela I know ukuthi kwathiwa abantu abavotile it's around 16 to 17 million, and then but ekugcineni amalokhuza uma kukhona amoshekile ngathi kwagcina kuba u-15 something million. So mangabe sekuwukuthi abawa-Green bano-12 million, idina almost 7 million, thina sina 4 point something million. Hey guys, ngicela ukuthi ngifake lento nihambe nobheka, ngikhuluma kakhulu mhlambe angazi i-stress or yini, angazi mhlambe thingihambe ngicela nani ngikhulume la nisho ukuthi ninibonani nani la guys.